In this video, I'm taking a look at this LED spotlight. Check out a couple of detailed images, and then we'll take a closer look and see how this performs. Alright, so we're taking a look at this LED flashlight. Plastic and aluminum. We'll come back to that in a moment. Let me show you what's included. So you have this strap you could hook on, and it has metal instead of plastic, so that's nice. Good quality nylon. Throw it over your shoulder, make it a little easier to carry. You have an instruction manual. You have a charger you could use in the car, and you have a charger, of course, you can use in your home. It's a barrel connector. This is the box that it comes in, and it comes with one other thing, but it was broken. So it comes with this tripod. This part here is supposed to be mounted like that, but it's broke. So probably because it was packaged in this box, and even though there's a little bit of protective plastic covering, some bubble wrap, it's not very much. It's obviously not adequate, so this was actually broken. Alright, so some details about this that might be important. 10,000 milliamp, 6000 lumen, 6 different modes. It's a tripod connection here. It also can operate as a power bank. So behind this flap you have your charge port, input and output. So a USB output, you can charge up your phone or whatever it is you want to charge. It's water resistant, so you shouldn't have to worry too much about that. You have your connection here on the bottom for the strap, or if you want to add a lanyard. You have 2 different buttons here. One of these operates the front and the other operates the side. So if I press and hold, got a strobe here, off, or if I just press, I can cycle through the different brightness levels. And the same for the top, different brightness levels, or push and hold. And it's an emergency type beacon. So this thing could last potentially up to 24 hours possibly, depending upon which mode you're actually using. And you're going to be looking at somewhere between probably 10-12 hours roughly on charging if it's pretty well depleted. But it's not extremely heavy, but it does have a little bit of weight to it, so not too bad. But the idea is to be able to mount it like this and use the emergency beacon with the tripod. But since it's broken, can't really do that. So the tripod does open up like that, but there's no attachment point on the top because the plastic's cracked. Okay, so that's kind of a quick rundown. I'll leave a link below. You can find out more, and the images preceding this part of the video should tell you some more. But now let's take it outside and see. We're going to try to project over 300 feet and see what kind of visibility that gives us, or what that looks like. How well it shows up on the camera, I'm not going to be sure, of course, but we're going to give it a shot anyway, and we'll do a little close up and a little further away. Okay, let's go check it out in action. Alright, so if you're just using this to light your path, obviously you can see it is very bright. Gives you a quick rundown. Now, I don't know how well you can see across the street, but that's over 300 feet, and I can see the trees over there. See the trees in this yard and the trees over here. It works quite well. It's a very solid, bright beam. And if we just wanted to use this to light the general area, you can kind of see how that would work. Obviously, in the dark, you're going to be very visible having the emergency beacon, or the strobe can be very effective getting someone's attention.